This mac and cheese is unique, irreplaceable, just like you. Ingredients. Kagaru. In honor of my best friend Erika that likes anime, I've learned a little jingle. I hope you like it. But today, we're back in the US of A. Wow, that rhymed. Because I'm making a Pasta Queen signature mac and cheese that is going to make you bonkers, just like me and you. Have you noticed if you live in hot states that the mosquitoes are already out and ravaging the courtyards? Little silly little animals, insects. But let's go back to what we're doing today. Today I'm making a very simple layered upon layered. I know I'm using past tense, but it doesn't matter. Why? Because I'm Italian. We are making the little shells. Are these called little shells? I don't know, but I hope you can see them. The bronze dyed pasta. We're going to cook this first. Get your pasta hot bowl and let's throw the pasta in. Pasta water is boiling. I advise you to have a pasta strainer inserted into it just because this is going to have to cool down. So it's kind of handy. I'm gonna show you why in a minute. Perfect. Little shells go in. Now we're gonna make the bechamel sauce. You need butter, flour, and milk. We use a real basic measurement. 100 grams of butter per 100 grams of flour for 1 liter of milk. 100, 100, 1 liter. Butter, flour, room temperature milk, a little bit at a time, and whisk. And it's ready. Pinch of salt. For the pasta cooking time, all you gotta know is halfway cooked because it's going in the oven for ultimate scrunchiness. The cheese will melt into it. It's gonna have to bake for at least half an hour. So I would suggest you cook the pasta halfway through. We've cooked the pasta halfway through, we lift and let it rest. While we have our prepping going on, we make the basil infused breadcrumbs from scratch. We have a little piece of day-old bread. Bread goes in, we got basil leaves, put them in. Look at this, it's perfect. For a touch of Roman, because who doesn't like Rome? You crazy? Mortadella with pistachios. Pistachios and peppercorns. And now grave the fontina cheese unapologetically, without remorse. Parmigiano, also known as parmigiazzo. Wow, what a creation. Just like you. And now basil infused fresh breadcrumbs made at the home in the comfort of your food processor. Shaves of butter. Why not? It's for a comforting occasion. Don't scream at me. I know it's bad for you. Don't eat too much. Nonna would be proud. And I'll bake in the oven. It's ready. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. I'm telling you, for a celebration, for a holiday, for a birthday party, or an evening with friends, or even if it's not evening, make this mac and cheese, you will not regret it. With the mortadella, it's just so elevated, just like you. Enjoy your Memorial weekend. See you next week.